Imagine earning over $5,000 monthly passively, all from the comfort of your home. This isn't a dream. It's the reality for many successful Amazon FBA sellers. Take Rebecca Resnick, who started with just $3,000 in 2017 and scaled her pet product business to $1 million in annual revenue by 2020. Today, we'll demystify Amazon FBA, guiding you through the step-by-step process to launch your own profitable side hustle. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, launched in 2006, revolutionized how sellers manage their businesses. It allows you to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers, where they handle everything from picking and packing to shipping, returns, and customer service. This model has empowered over 2 million active sellers on Amazon as of 2023, with US FBA sellers generating over $300 billion in annual sales. Ready to join their ranks? Let's dive into the essential steps to kickstart your Amazon FBA journey. Our first crucial step is product research, which typically takes 1 to 2 weeks. You'll identify winning products using powerful tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10, which offer plans starting from $39 to $49 per month. Look for products with monthly sales exceeding 300 units, priced between $15 and $50, and with fewer than 50 competitors. Aim for a profit margin greater than 30%. For example, use Helium 10's black box tool to find products with a weighted search volume between 5,000 and 20,000. Next, we move to supplier sourcing, a process that usually takes about 1 week. Platforms like Alibaba or 1688.com are your go-to for finding manufacturers. Always order samples, which typically cost $50 to $200 to ensure product quality. Negotiate a minimum order quantity, or MOQ, of 300 to 500 units at $3 to $7 per unit for a $20 retail product. Shipping your initial batch via air or sea will cost approximately $500 to $1,000. Once your products are ready, it's time to set up your Amazon seller account. Opt for the professional plan, which costs $39.99 per month. Then, send your inventory to FBA via UPS or FedEx, which will cost around $200 to $400. Let's break down the total startup costs, which typically range from $1,000 to $3,000. This includes $700 to $2,000 for 300 units of inventory, $50 for tools, $300 to $700 for samples and shipping, $40 for account fees, and an initial $200 for PPC advertising. Finally, optimize your product listing to attract buyers. Craft a keyword-rich title up to 150 characters, like wireless earbuds Bluetooth 5.0 noise canceling 20H playtime. Include 5 compelling bullet points highlighting benefits, and at least 7 high-quality images, including white background shots and infographics. Utilize A+ content to enhance your brand story, and use Helium 10 scribbles for keywords with a search volume over 1,000 and a competition IQ under 30. Launch your product with a PPC budget of $10 to $50 per day. Now, let's talk about real profit calculations. This is where your hard work pays off. Consider an example product. It costs $5 per unit to source and sells for $25. FBA fees will be around $8, covering the 15% referral fee and fulfillment. Allocate $1 per unit for shipping to FBA and approximately $2.50 for ads, which is 10% of the selling price. This leaves you with a net profit of $8.50 per unit. If you sell 200 units per month, averaging 10 sales per day post-launch, that's $1,700 in profit monthly. Scale that to 600 units, and you're looking at $5,100 per month. This represents an impressive 200 to 300% return on your initial $1,500 inventory investment. While the potential is huge, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls that can derail your success. First, avoid picking saturated products, like phone cases with over 1,000 sellers. Poor photos and listings can lead to zero sales, so invest in quality visuals and compelling copy. Never ignore intellectual property issues. Always check USPTO and Amazon brand registry. Underfunding can cause you to run out of inventory, missing out on sales. And finally, neglecting customer service metrics can severely impact your seller reputation. Aim for over 95% positive feedback. To navigate these challenges, you'll need the right tools. Jumble Scout offers product tracker and a supplier database, while Helium 10 provides X-Ray for sales estimates and Cerebro for reverse ASIN lookups. Other valuable tools include Keepa for price history and viral launch, which starts at $59 per month. Let's look at another inspiring success story, Dan Vass. He started in 2016 with just $1,000, used Helium 10 to capitalize on the fidget spinner craze in 2017, and scaled to $10,000 per month. Today, he teaches others through his courses. Statistics show that 57% of sellers are private label, according to Jungle Scout's 2023 report. The average new seller revenue is $87,000 per year after year one. However, it's important to note that 40% quit within 3 months, as per Seller Labs data, often due to competition and learning curves. Success in Amazon FBA requires dedication, continuous learning, and strategic execution. With the right approach, you too can build a thriving online business. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and start your Amazon FBA side hustle? The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards of passive income and financial freedom are well within your reach. Start your research today, leverage the tools we discussed, and embark on your path to becoming a successful Amazon FBA seller.